Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to obtain business license or permit for food manufacturing unit in Telangana. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, you will be directed go to this page. So on this page, please click on the login food business. Now you'll be directly go to this page. On this page, if you are a new user, please click on did you want to apply for new license registration. So the application details form will be open. So you have to enter all the details. Name of the company, organization, address, select the district, select the state, select the sub-district, pin code, GST number, CIN number, PAN number, and then click on the save and next button. Next, you need to fill the product selection, and next you need to fill the communication details. Next, you have to upload all in the documents, and finally, how to pay. You have to pay the amount in online mode itself. After that, you go back to the login section. So in login section, you need to enter the license registration or application number, and then click on the proceed button. So after successful login, click on the license registration and select the apply for license registration. So next, after successful completing the payment, a receipt will be generated with a 70-digit reference number. Make a print of it and keep it safe for future reference. And you can track the application through the homepage. This application will be processed by them and they will notify you through your email or by SMS. And in below section, we are mentioned the fee section. So for more fee details, please use this link. Also, you can check more details related to the procedure in below each section. Here there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the department and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. So which is very useful for you. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.